on a break because this is taking a long time. Welcome back to my channel. Today video I am doing another hair vlog. This time I actually got a wig from the same vendor that I got this hair from, AliExpress, Rose's Beauty. Check her out. I got a wig. It's 13 by 4, 24 or 26 inches, and it's already pre-plucked. But right now the hair is actually dying. So today we're going to be dyeing and styling the new wig that I got. Since I feel really accomplished with this wig that's on my head right now and I made it look very well, I decided to take the step and install my first 360 lace closure wig. I am dying. I already bought the products and stuff that I need in the video that I saw, so hopefully it comes out. So this color is what I'm going for. It is chocolate caramel medium golden mahogany brown. It is the Garnier and it's color 535. The only thing I'm a little worried about is that I didn't bleach it because I was afraid that it would not look like the box and it would come out lighter, so I left it black. Pray for me. I hope it comes out that color, because if it don't, I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to bleach it or finesse it. But either way, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys the process and I'll see you soon. So the dye didn't take on black hair, so I officially have to bleach. Like, that was just a waste of a whole hour that I'm not gonna get back. But a good thing I have bleach left over from the original hair color that I had. So that's what I'm about to do now, but let me show you guys how it looks. Like, oh, it's just like the scalp, maybe like the lace is the only thing that turned the color. But other than that, no. So I'm gonna get ready to bleach it again. Hopefully this does not mess up the hair. But I'm gonna bleach it and I'll see you guys tomorrow or later on. Guys, excuse the dirty mirror. I don't know why I didn't clean it, but whatever. This is the final color of the wig. It's caramel chocolate brown. I love it. I wasn't really expecting for the dye to be really light in the front, but that's how it just happened. I'm gonna just leave it like that. It's giving like a ombre effect. But this is how it looks after it's dyed. I bleached it a little, and then as you can see, the bottom is like chocolate black. I mean, chocolate brown black. And now I'm just about to go blow it out, and then I guess I'll show you guys how it looks once it's fully blown out. But just wanted to show you guys this is how it looks, and this is how it came out. So let's blow dry it. This is the color. So this is the color, chocolate brown. It came out super cute, super light in the front. I like it. It's kind of giving like a highlight effect or whatever. It is super caramel, then chocolate all through the back. Now I'm just going to flat iron it, style it, trim it, and try it on and come back and show you guys. Just wanted to show you guys the final look. That's it. The back, so this is the wig I colored and I officially flat ironed it. This is it, 24 inches. I trimmed it and I gave it layers in the front. Now it's just to figure out where do I want to put the part. Do I want to put it on the side? Do I want to do it middle like I usually do? And now it's just to cut the lace. I might have to pluck it a little more because it's like mad hair, like right there. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't like that. But this is it, or whatever. And yeah, I like it. Like, shit is lit at the light show. Yeah, so now I got a decent length. Next, I'll be moving on to installing and lay this joint. Pray with me because it's my first time and I've never done that in my life. But we gon' do it and figure it out. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the big day where I'm finally going to lay down the lace front 360 wig that I have. I've never ever had a 360 lace wig in my life. I'm super nervous to install it. Keep in mind, this is my first time installing it, so y'all better be nice. And yeah, we're just gonna get to it. I watched my videos, I see what to do. I'm pretty confident that I could do well. My main concern is just getting it to stay. So I already braided my hair all back. I slicked my edges with this, the edge, what is it? The Murray's Edge Wax. I like this. It doesn't make my edges feel sticky or tacky or hard, and it doesn't flake, and it has that non-sticky feel. That's what I'm going to. Is it ready here? Alright. Well, this wax hold pretty well. I prefer wax over gel any day. Also, happy Thanksgiving, by the way. I used the Got to Be glue gel because this one is better. It has olive oil. It's the new olive oil brand one that I seen Eric and Tay use. And I tried it the other day when I had on my other lace wig. It's only just the front piece that's laced though, and it holds super well. You just gotta be consistent with the blow dry, and I'm hella impatient and I don't feel like doing that. So yeah. So we're gonna use that. So now they say you want to spray away from, like, not away, but like around it. Good thing my edge is not that low, but it's kind of low. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So it's sticking already. I'm gonna make sure go over it again. But so far so good. I'm gonna try to go back in that area, and I'm gonna like stick the gel up there or whatever. I did not glue my shit down because I don't believe in glue. I'm messy when it comes to glue. I feel like the where did I get it? The olive oil um wig gripper gel is doing me justice. I have tried it on my other wig. It's not a 360 lace, but it definitely held it down, and I don't put no cap on it, and it doesn't put my hair out, so, or my edges out. So I'm definitely think we're gonna be okay with this one. I didn't want to glue anymore. How? I don't want to put no more gel for my hair. It's not right now, but it's like right there and stuff. And like there, that's it. This one I cut a little too high. I should have left it where I had it, but no, first time for everything. I'm gonna try to like melt it more and make sure that it, pin back. But so far, so good. I'm on a break because this is taking a long time. this is the final look. I've melted it as much as I could. I even cut up extra lace where I'm over it. But this is it. And yeah, probably gonna rip this off tonight because I don't know, either I'm not used to it or I'm just like not feeling it. But maybe I gotta put makeup on and see. But this is it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.